Spazzing out, Pluto. Spazzing out.
Hey, walking and licking my drip, licking my wrist. AP got me sick. You could go blind, stop staring at it. I'm killing these beats, someone get a med kit. I'm with two baddies, they lit just like Megan. That mean I rhyme with a fashion a stallion. Hold
Hey y'all, it's Tiana Shannell and I'm back with another video. I don't know why the lighting looks like this. I have no clue, but that's not important. I get distracted easily, and this year I'm gonna try to make it my goal to stay on track, keep it straight to the point. Like, let's just get straight to the point, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do a half up, half down, see? Are you getting distracted? I'm gonna do a half up, half down with curls, you know what I'm saying? When you do dramatic edges, you wanna have that, some got to be spread, my good pineapple edge booster. You want pineapple, y'all. I had nails missing in the beginning, now I don't. Can't tell y'all my secrets.
What's a good chapstick? Invest in this. They were so good. Let me give you like lip glossy. Type for them. It is messy. No, I should be in lip gloss. So, I'm cool. My hair down to my instinct. There's no way. Lip gloss start anything. But actually, let's not use a comb to be tangled. Like, you're not tangled too fast. Lay your head down tonight. Okay.
So now that the edges are done, we want to do part out how much hair we want up versus how much we want down.
I'm gonna go in with a heat protectant. by Design Essentials.
Okay, y'all, so my hair is curled, but while I was curling, I messed up the base. The base.